Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about creating a TNA. TNA means time and action plan for a reporting calendar. So time and action plans are very important, especially in project management, because you will have a bigger projects. You want to create smaller action plans so that you will be able to break it down to a digestible component, so that you will be confident that you will be able to finish your tasks on time and then track the actuals. Afterwards you can see if there are delays, you can put countermeasures for these and so on. So today we are going to create a small TNA using Excel, and you will learn how to create this TNA using Excel formulas. So here I have a small TNA, time and action plan, and I am going to fill these activities, right. Here we have the report creation and the ownership, and then number of days that need to be taken. These are all sequential activities. So that means you will have to finish this task and spend this much days and come to this task. These are not any parallel tasks. You will have to finish one and move to next. So if we are doing in a simple way, how we are going to do? We can do equal this plus this. But this formula has a problem. If you see it, let's say 14th June. 14th June is a Friday, right? Now, if you add up 2 days to that, it will give you a Sunday. Sunday we are not working. So, this TNA is incorrect if you use in that way. So, I am going to alter this formula to represent weekends. Equal work days international, this one start date, and then I am adding the number of days, and then I am marking my weekend. I am picking Saturday, Sunday weekend. So I am putting 1 and closing the bracket. Now what will happen? Let's see. If you drag it down, you will see you will dearly skip these weekends based on that. 14th June, 18th June. That means, let's say 14th June, 17 and 18, you get the date, right? Now we are all sorted. Let's say if you plan our work week, we are giving some holidays to our employees. Let's say 14th June is a holiday. Friday we are giving a day off for our employees. So we have to capture that as well. So I have marked these 3 holidays in here, and then we will include these holidays into our TNA as well. Now we have a formula and we have holidays. Firstly, I am converting this into a small table using Ctrl T shortcut key, and I am creating this table. Now I have this table, and why I am creating this table is so you will be able to add more holidays when you want to do it, and table will extend itself. So you will be able to add more holidays and alter this TNA, right? Now we have marked our weekends. Now we are going to add our holidays. So how we are going to do that? We are marking this down. Now let's see what will happen. Oh, it turned into a horrible mistake. So what is the issue here? Let me sort this for you. see now. Now we have accounted for our holidays. Let's see now, after 11th we are not starting from 14th, adding 2 days, and it will show 17th June and then 20th June. Likewise, we will be able to create these TNAs and share with the team. It is very important to have TNAs in this dynamic business world. So I hope you have learned how to create a small TNA with Excel, and you will be able to share this with your friends. If you think these contents are valuable, you can subscribe to our channel and like us also. Thank you for today. Bye for now. We will meet in a exciting video again. Thank you.